Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the how we are going to create the contacts in Zoho. So here you can see that in the last video we have created the lead section. Now we have a contacts. Okay, I'm going to create the contacts now. Right. Let's add this contact. So here we have the contact function. Okay, so create contact in the Node.js. Let's create a new file that is contacts.js, and here we have the code base. So this I need to take it from the last video of this one, so I'm not going to use it, client ID and everything. So let's use this is our Zoho credentials. Right, get access token. I think here I need to add with the in, but in the index how we are going to get the access token, I think it's .com. Callback authorization code, yes it is .n. Okay, so let's use the .in over there, domain. Get the access token from the refresh token. Okay, so it will get the access token, and after this we are going to create the contact. So here we have a contact function, get the access token, and then we have to add our name, last name and everything. Okay, and then call the API, that is CRM v2 contacts, and here we have to pass the authorization access token, and then contact created, else what the error it is we are going to catch that. Okay, then create that function, save this, go to the terminal, run node contacts.js. So here you can see that the contact created successfully, and let's reload this. So here you can see that the Anjali Verma and this contact is created. Here you can see technical registry and this phone number, last name, first name, it's all added, created by this, modified this, contact name. So this is how you are able to, and this is our address that we have added, and it's over here. Okay, and this is a description that we have added. Right, so this is how you are able to create contacts in Zoho CRM via Node.js API. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.